Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices talking on the same Wi-Fi. That's critical. Once your Sony TV is on, switch its input to screen mirroring or built-in Chromecast so it's discoverable. On the Vivo phone, go straight to Settings, then Connection and Share, and tap Cast. You need to grant location or nearby device permission if prompted so the phone can scan the network. Don't pause. This initial alignment makes discovery reliable and prevents common connection timeouts. Now let the phone scan the network and look for your Sony TV model name. This can take a few seconds. When you see the TV listed, tap it to start the handshake. The TV may prompt you to accept the incoming cast. Use the TV remote to allow it. If the TV shows a PIN code, type that PIN into your Vivo immediately. This secures the link and prevents accidental connections from other devices. Once connected, you'll see the phone screen mirrored in seconds. To finish, optimize settings. Set the phone screen timeout longer and lower brightness to save power while mirroring. For a smoother picture, close background apps on your Vivo and keep the phone near the router. If mirroring lags or disconnects, make sure both devices stay on the same Wi-Fi, then restart the router or toggle cast off and on. As a last resort, create a phone hotspot and connect the TV to it, but note that this may reduce bandwidth and increase lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.